You've been trapped in a system designed to keep you poor. The government has left you living paycheck to paycheck, paying as much tax as possible, working until you're 68 or perhaps even 78 by the time you get there. You can escape this by learning the ability to build a 100k or even £1 million investment portfolio. But the thing is, where do you start? I've spent the last 16 years trying to figure this out and lost out on over £250,000 by not getting it right. I wasted hours on not having the right investing strategy, buying the wrong things and trying to find the perfect time to invest. I filled my ISA every year, but even so my investments were just not giving me the returns I wanted. This was until I discovered the investing strategy that will stop you from working into your 60s and 70s. It's enabled me to build my third 100k starting from scratch, and every time I've used it, it's allowed me to do it quicker every time. And the truth is, making your second and third 100k is actually easy. It's the first that requires the work. But once you hit that milestone, the road to 1 million will be much quicker. I want to share this strategy with you so you can learn the correct account setup to reach 100k as fast as possible, and learn the best investments to eliminate guesswork, minimize risk, and let your investments grow on autopilot. And it will teach you the foolproof system that someone with zero experience can follow. So on the 27th of March, I'll be launching the 100k workshop that will show you how to build a 100k investment portfolio as fast as possible. This workshop will give you everything you need in the right order to build this system step by step and get to 100k faster. This will teach you the exact strategy I use with my accounts to hit 100k as quick as possible, and include the optimal accounts to open and reveal the order you should invest into them. I'll show you how to take the guesswork out of investing, so even as a complete beginner you won't need to worry about what to buy or how it will perform. You can just sit back and relax. This system will drastically improve your life. Whether your goal is to retire early or save for a house, have more flexibility, or even just have more money. Once you know this system, you'll wish you had it sooner. And as a bonus, I'll also be including my 100k tracker cheat sheet, which you can fill in as you hit goals, and it will make the whole process seem far easier and much more achievable. Compared to saving in the bank, this workshop could make up to a 1.5 million difference in your life. But hurry, because right now there are limited early bird spaces which will be available pre-launch. These spaces will give you access to a private Q&A call I'll be hosting, so be sure to book in this week. The workshop will be available to purchase on demand after, but you'll miss out on access to the private group call. I'm so excited to share this with you. Click the link below to learn more and book in your space, and hopefully I will see you soon.